charge. Yeah, so there we go. Would anybody like to share about how you've experienced the level 1 workshop so far? India.
Yeah, I didn't really know what to expect coming in, but I was saying to my partner last night that usually, because I've done, thousands of acting courses and stuff like that, and I'm always one to just sit back and observe. And I've noticed that, I mean, I'm sure you've noticed, I've spoken a lot and I've like jumped up and been willing to speak, which is quite rare in settings like this. So I don't know if that's because of you guys or what, but it's been quite nice. And yeah, just seeing the shifts in everyone is quite remarkable. Like for someone to say that this works, but actually seeing it is pretty awesome. And again, I definitely think it's the key that has been missing, or the piece of the puzzle that's been missing.
Thank you very much for sharing that, Indy. It's a pleasure to have you and to actually reflect back to you when you first came and your body and everything, being heightened because of different things. Seeing you look relaxed and in your body and sharing the way you have and invaluable wisdom you've got to share. So thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else like to just feedback about how you feel so far on Zena?
Yeah, I kind of relate to what Indy was saying in terms of that, just this safe space that was created here. I've felt very safe, and I feel, I don't know, this group just feels very feminine, like the feminine energy. I don't know if anyone else can feel it, but like so calm, so peaceful, so grounding. And yeah, I've learned so much. I love how you sort of carried out the course. It's amazing. And I've learned so much, like so many tools that I can actually take away and practice on myself. And I'll definitely be doing it with a few family members.
Great, that's great. Thank you for sharing, Zena. Wonderful, wonderful. Anybody else like to share? I don't want to force you. We can kind of stop there, and if you're happy to write a little note in the chat box, but just wants to give anybody an opportunity if they wanted to. T and then Laura.
I definitely wanted to thank you, Alison. What a cool couple of days I've had, and I came in excited about, what will we learn, but I'm leaving this 2 days and feeling excited about what's next and how that'll look, and being able to use these tools and being able to get better. Thank you for holding that beautiful space for us, and for the thing that happened today. Just received so much love, and your ability to provide a safe environment for us wherever we're at, wherever we've come in, and also whatever we've brought to. You could add that to the list of things, but it's just a real credit to how awesome you actually are at it. And my mind is kind of thinking, oh, she does mentoring, oh, wouldn't that be cool, when I get into my thing and later on, and come back to you and be able to say, hey, can I have some coaching or mentoring, that kind of thing, and I'm pleased that you raised it, so that you can keep being a better practitioner. You always have to have that person to be accountable to, hey. But and thanks to everyone else too. You guys are actually amazing. I agree with the other two girls about how lovely this space has been this weekend, so thank you.
Oh, lovely sharing. Thank you so much. And yes, it's an absolute honor. It makes you make the group, we all create the safe place together. So it's lovely energy from everybody, and it is my passion to make sure that you all feel comfortable to share tapping and to be able to remove the blocks, to be able to have a practice. And you know, it's endless what we can do with this wonderful technique. So yeah. Laura, did you have your hand up?
I did. I just wanted to say thank you as well, Alison, and thank you, beautiful ladies. I also agree, Zena, it's such a feminine group, and that energy has been so wonderful, which even personally supported me on more levels with, you know, how the day started, and just reflecting what you've all shared as well. I think this last few days has been such a great combination, actually, of so many different parts, using the brain and the body and understanding the connection. And I never thought that I'd come into this also getting healing, personal healing as well. You know, so much of the containers that I'm in for learning, it's so much of the theoretical and the practical application has felt really invaluable. And I also love the transmission of each practitioner. And so receiving and witnessing transmissions of all of you has been just really beautiful to watch, receive, and yeah, been great. Bring on level 2. Can't wait.
Oh, wonderful.
And Rumi's still asleep.
Amazing.
Marie, magic.
Magic Marie.
It must be the Irish accent.
Amongst many things.
And actually, I just wanted to thank you as well, Alison, for a fantastic couple of days, and to all the amazing women in this group. You've been it's been beautiful couple of days working with you. And yeah, I'm so glad I did the course, because as I was mentioning when I was working with India, like I seem to be starting so many different things and I'm not finishing. There's so many self-help books that I've downloaded onto Audible that I haven't finished. Some of I haven't even started. But I'm really glad I did this, and I'm definitely going to do the level 2. I'm really looking forward to that and meeting up with everyone again, because I think this is definitely something worth seeing through to the end. And I know it'll help me to be a better person and help me, you know, help others. Yeah, so thank you.
Fantastic. That's exciting. Yeah, wonderful. Really great. Okay, yes, Laura, please go ahead.
Everyone said such a beautiful message, and I agree with what everyone said. It's been so nice. And Alison, I already absolutely loved working with you, and I've loved getting to know you all and being in a safe space, because I was really quite emotional about coming here and doing this. So I just feel so relieved, and I'm so happy. But I'm not going to cry, guys, but after our session yesterday, I did some oracle cards, and I just kind of asked the universe about all of us. And we had 3 really amazing messages with a really short meaning. So I might just read them for everyone, if that's okay.
Oh, that's lovely. Yes, go ahead.
So the 3 cards that I drew were awakening, transformation, and receptivity.
Oh, nice.
Pretty amazing cards. So I'll just quickly go through the meanings, which are quite short but powerful. So awakening. This is a period of great spiritual awakening for you. You are being initiated into a new, higher level of existence. You may have noticed some unexpected changes taking place in your life. This is all part of your preparation. You are drawing ever closer to the divine, and once this process is complete, you will feel a greater degree of connection, as well as an increased capacity to love and be loved. So that's an awakening message. And then 38 for transformation. You are in the midst of a profound transformation. You are on a path of rapid growth and change. You have been for some time. The inner work that you have completed is about to pay off. You have acquired so much knowledge and experience, and you are now ready to let go of an old aspect of yourself and rebirth into a new you. Don't be afraid. Embrace this transformation and rejoice in it.
Hallelujah. And there's one more.
There's one more.
This is kind of a good little conclusion to it.
Mm.
Take the time to still your mind and find your silence within. Dedicating even just a few moments a day to quiet contemplation will help you become more receptive to the spirit of light that allows you to see clearly and find peace and harmony within yourself and the universe.
Wow. That is so wonderful. That just sums it all up.
Mm.
Thank you so much for sharing that. That's, yeah, no words.
Thank you.
Wow. Well, I hope you all have a wonderful afternoon, evening. Can't wait to see you again in a couple of weeks. Enjoy your new magic fingers. And yeah, there's lots of ways we can connect after today. I might just stop this recording.